Does your life resemble a bit of a hot mess rather than a perfect Instagram highlight reel? Good. That means you might actually be living your best life. Forget yachts, green juice, and curated morning routines. Sometimes living your best life just means barely holding it together, but in style. Sign number 1. You ate one vegetable this week. A single baby carrot entered your system, and now you're a health icon. Sure, it was buried in ranch and immediately followed by Doritos. But in the nutrition chaos, that is your life. That carrot was a green smoothie. Sign number 2. You folded laundry the same day it was washed. This is elite-level adulting. No clean pile on the chair for once. You washed, dried, and folded in the same 24-hour window. You deserve an award, possibly a monument. Sign number 3. You didn't text back your toxic ex. They hit you with the classic "you up," and for once, you said nope. Maybe it was emotional growth. Maybe you were just asleep. Either way, that's a win for your nervous system. Sign number 4. You stayed in on a Friday night and actually loved it. No FOMO, no shame. Just sweatpants, pizza, and a show you don't even like but can't stop watching. You used to call that being boring. Now it's called self-care. Final thought. If you've done any of this, you're doing fine. Maybe even thriving. Sure, your life's a little chaotic, but if you're feeding yourself, folding things, and dodging drama, that's your best life, baby. Drop your weirdest win in the comments. We celebrate all forms of chaos here.